Alright, boys and girls, today's author study is over A.A. Milne. You are going to research his birthday, place of birth, information about his family, his early life such as school and education, and a famous quote by him. Next, you will create a timeline in chronological order of his life events, his most important life events, and be sure to include if he is still alive or not. On the following tab, you will type in books written by A.A. Milne and awards that he received for those books. On the book talk tab, you will summarize a book by A.A. Milne. I know this is probably an author that you guys have not heard of or don't remember the name if you have heard it. There is a book at the end of this comprehension lesson that you can listen to and summarize. Be sure to include the title, a summary, and your reflection of the book. And over here, include the genre, pages, and the year the book was published. And then you can Google a picture and insert it right here. On the following tab, you will type 10 interesting facts about A.A. Milne. If you can't find 10, it's okay. Just get as many as you can. And then on the last tab, you will give your sources. Copy and paste the link where you found the information that you've included in this author study. And then lastly, you will listen to a book by A.A. Milne. After you complete all of this and turn it in, you will go over to ClassLink. And this is the Amplify app that you are clicking on right here, doing 15 minutes on there. Let me know if you have any questions.